Are you experiencing symptoms of allergic cough? Allergic cough symptoms can include persistent dry coughing, often worse at night or early morning. Some may experience throat irritation, hoarseness, or a tickling sensation that triggers coughing fits. Nasal congestion or a runny nose might accompany the cough. In some cases, sneezing and itchy eyes can also be present. These symptoms typically arise after exposure to allergens like pollen, dust mites, pet dander, or mold.